What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be doing the key fobs on my 2005 Ford Focus. This should be the same from 2000 to 2012. It may not be, but I'm pretty sure it is from the little research I did. You're going to need to have your door closed and your seatbelt on. So let's go ahead and put our seatbelt on, or else it won't go into the little thing. So you're going to want to have all your key fobs ready, sitting here, and then you're going to take your key, put it in, cycle it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. You hear the beep, then it's ready. Press the lock button, turn it on, back out. Now all of your things should work. You should go lock, unlock again for the rest of the doors, then lock, unlock, lock. So if this video helped you any, please consider to like, comment, subscribe. We have a lot more stuff on the channel, a lot more stuff coming. Just stay tuned and come back and check us out. Thanks.